Magandang hapon po na September 5, 2023 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng September 5, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, September 5, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for September 5, 2023, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 34 million pesos. And Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 33 million pesos for Tuesday, September 5, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for September 5, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.